Good morning. Morning, guys. Yeah, morning, guys. So today it's Thursday. Yesterday, I wanted to trade CPI and the federal fund rate. However, I didn't get that desired entry confirmation during the time, and we had a lot of technical difficulties yesterday, so I didn't get the chance to enter from the zone that I wanted to buy. But today, I'm definitely looking for some kind of entry. I haven't taken a trade in a while. You know, I've been very patient. Market has been like, it's been in favor for like Asian and London session. I've seen a lot of setups come at that time, but you know, I'm not inside the market for London and Asian. But today, as you can see, we have a bear structure on gold. Gold is currently showing a bear structure right now. I'm looking for sells at this level right here. Maybe after news, if we get price tapping in before NYSE open, then I just might take sells at this level right here. If we get a pullback, if news gives a pullback and we get confirmation, if we get a tap before NYSE open at this level, then I'll be interested in taking sells. As for buys, I'm looking for buyers to be at the demand. I'm looking for buys at the demand. But you know, we still have big money orders left into the market right here. Big buyers came in right here. However, I'm not buyers would be inside the demand. Once this order gets taken out, there's gonna be a pullback. You know, I'm expecting a pullback back to this level, so I'm expecting something like this. This is what I'm looking for inside the market today. Maybe something like this. So this is what I'm looking for today. So I'm looking for buys at the demand level, and I'm looking for sells at this green line right here. This is a breakout level. This is where the structure break right here. So I'm looking for sells right here. So yeah, it's all about patience. I'm going to patiently wait for the setup, wait for price to do what it does best, and that's make the market. So I hope you guys had a wonderful FOMC. Hope you had a wonderful CPI yesterday. Again, personally, I didn't take any trades. As you can see, the funded account, it's still where it's at. Haven't been seeing much setups during New York, or even when I do see my setups, there's something always happens. The day before, I had to do an emergency visit to the hospital on Tuesday, so I didn't get a chance to take my entry. And then yesterday there were technical difficulties on the stream where I couldn't share the charts because, you know, there was a blackout. A lot of people were saying the stream was down, so I don't know what happened. I had to restart the PC. I tried again, still had some errors. I don't know what's going on with the stream, so maybe I'm gonna try a different streaming service, or maybe I should. I don't know how to solve the issues with the random disconnection of the stream. It's strange. I don't know what's causing it, but I'll definitely look into it over the weekend. But today, hopefully everything goes well for today. Again, I'm looking for sells. Inside the supply area. Well, there isn't a supply formed as yet, but I'm looking for sells right here at this green line. That's my point of interest for sells right now. Let me just mark point of interest. So I'm looking for sells at the point of interest right here, since we have a bearish structure, and I'm expecting buyers to possibly come in at the demand level for a pullback. We have a rejection level formed right here, where there's a possibility where the rejection level might get liquidated, because if you look on the 4-hour time frame, if you go onto your 4-hour time frame, we pretty much have kind of a bearish structure. It's not yet fully confirmed. The reason it's not yet fully confirmed is because we still have another trend line that we need to break, right? So we still have this trend line right here that we need to break, and the H4 candle closes right before NYSE. So I mean right after NYSE opens. So I'm gonna be waiting for, I'm mostly in favor of sells at this time. I'm mostly in favors of sells. Mostly in favor for sells today. Mostly in favor for sells. And but if the market pulls into the demand before going to these sell side point of interest, if it goes to the demand before the sell side point of interest, then I just might take buys. But if we get sells before, I'm gonna hold my sells. If I do get sells, I'm gonna hold my sells, and I maybe target the lows right here. If I get sells now, but if we pull down to the demand, I will be looking for buys to push to the point of interest right here, and then then I can take sells. But I definitely want to take sells. I'm more in favor for sells right now. As you can see, what happened yesterday, guys. So what happened yesterday basically was that if you look right here, this level that I marked was a level where orders were dumped into the market, right? This happened at NFP, and the market came, it retested the level, and then sold off. So now we have another level right here where buyers pumped big money into the market. So they used this order right here to liquidate this order. So now they're driving the market down, maybe to liquidate this order. So yeah, so I'm waiting for sells at the point of interest right here, and buys would be at this key level right down here. So I'm not going to impulsively take the trades. I'm going to patiently wait for the setups and execute according to plan. So stay tuned. I'll keep you all updated. And I wish you a very good trading day. Oh, also guys, we do have news. We do have a news event coming at 7:30. It's unemployment claims. We have unemployment claims, so we might get a lot of volatility from the unemployment claims. Maybe to retest the point of interest level right here, but I won't be trading pre-unemployment claims. I will be trading post-unemployment claims, so all my entries are gonna come after the news release. So after news does what it does, that's when I'll be looking to take a trade. Yeah, it's been the market phase that we're currently in. To be honest, it's now transitioning from a bullish market. Maybe it's a transition into a bearish market, because I haven't seen much orders coming in at New York session. Like New York, they aren't holding the New York levels. Yeah. Again, so if you're just tuning into the live stream, this is my point of interest for sells, and as for buys, I will be looking for buys in the demand area. Alright guys, so we have news in just about 2 minutes. We do have unemployment claims in about 2 minutes. So let's see what the market has in store for us. So again, I'm looking for sells at this level right here, and I'm looking for buys inside the demand. So I'm patiently waiting for the market to set up. Alright, so we have news in just a minute. We have news in just about a minute. So I see possibly a bearish news. So you want to be careful. Oh wow, it's pulling back. Let's go into our point of interest. I'm not going to impulsively take the trade. I'm going to wait for the news event to settle. So I'm going to wait for this news event to settle, and after this 30-minute candle closes, after the news 30-minute candle closes, if we hold this level, If we don't, if this level is held, then I just might take sells if we hold the level. If we don't hold the level, then I won't be taking the trade. So once the 30-minute candle closes, this 30-minute candle closes, and this level, this point of interest level is held, then I will be taking sells. But this level, it has to be respected by this current 30-minute candle. But if it breaks, breaks and continues long, then I know that sellers are not, they're trying to hold. If you go on the 4-hour candle, I mean the 4-hour time frame, in that case, then I'll know that, hey, they're still holding the structure. Because remember, I pointed out earlier that the 4-hour bearish formation is not yet confirmed, because we still have this level being respected. So until we get a breakout of this level, then the 4-hour yeah, once we get a breakout of this level, then the 4-hour bearish setup would be confirmed. But now it's not yet confirmed. We're still holding this structure right here, so you have to be careful selling down into this level, because if you check on sellers, if you look on the whole the entire market structure, there hasn't been any smooth structure inside the market. Like, it's been a lot of range, a lot of fake outs. So we had a range right here, market faked out, then it came back inside the range, no buyers took entry, continued selling, another fake out. So there might just be a lot of fake outs. As I said, the market period, or the market the current market that we're in right now, there aren't much orders. There are just liquidations being done inside the market, and that is exactly why I haven't been getting much good entries or good trades lately. So it's just a phase. It's gonna be over. It doesn't last forever. But once we do start getting the setups that we desire, we will be making the most of them. Again, guys, so at this time, if you look on the market, structure was always being respected. If you look, we had a bullish breakout, it came back, retested, then we had a structural breakout, price was just respecting that. Then we had another bullish breakout right here, price was just respecting that. And as you can see, when we broke right here, price was respecting, and then everything started changing after this week right here. And this is exactly when buyers started closing their positions. So we had a massive sell-off, and they just started manipulating the market. We had a 400 pip range right here, price broke up, did a fake out, came back, didn't retest the level, and it's sold off, did another fake out, and it has been a lot of manipulation. But it's just a phase, guys. We're still going to be in the market looking for our desired confirmation. So again, I'm waiting for some kind of, I need this 30-minute candle to close respecting this zone. If it doesn't close respecting the zone, then I will no longer be interested in taking any sells, because again, we still have big money buyers holding this level right here. This was the last level where big money orders were pumped in, and the level is still being held by buyers. We have a late order. This was immediately after the buys. London took their entry right here. So this is a late order. They don't always hold, sometimes they're liquidated, so I don't really buy the retest of these orders, but I use this as a directional buy. So sometimes the late orders I do catch them, not always. As you can see, price came down, respected this late order level, and it's pumped up. Now what I'm interested in right now is this point of interest right here. So again, if this point of interest holds, then I will be taking sells from the level. But if it breaks out, I'm no longer interested. As you can see, it's breaking out. It's breaking up to the upside. So that being said, I won't be interested in taking any trades at the level. And this is where patience comes in, guys. So the level is breaking out, no longer interested in it, so I'm gonna delete that. So I'm gonna delete it, and we're still inside a bullish market regardless of the heavy sells that you're seeing inside the market. Those are just position closures, like they're pumps and dumps, if you understand the market. So since we got a strong breakout at the level, I'm now gonna see where I can get another possible trade in for today, because the market, guys, it's been a roller coaster. It's been a rough ride for a lot of traders who trade order flow, you know. But it's all about patience. We're gonna get orders in regardless. We're still gonna get some trades, guys. We just have to be patient and wait for that desired entry. So currently it appears price held respected the level right here and the trend line. So what I'm gonna do at this time, is to do a quick markup to find any possible key levels that are being formed for New York. I'm gonna do a quick markup to find any possible key levels being held for New York. So I'll be back in a moment. So I'm just gonna place you on just a quick mute. Yeah, I'm just gonna place you guys on mute, place my mic on mute just for a moment.